Good morning, Junior 6. I am Miss Fatma Abdelraouf Hamadnallah, and I will be teaching you science this year. I hope you enjoy studying with me. In the last video, we said that, just like in the past years in Junior 4 and Junior 5, in the first term, we have two themes. The first theme is called systems, and the second theme is called matter and energy. Let's talk about the first theme. In Theme 1, which is called Systems, Unit 1 is titled, What is the System? In this unit, we will learn more about systems and how they form, okay? Concept 1 is titled, The Cell as a System. Let's start our concept. We have learned that the bodies of living organisms consist of a group of systems that carry out all vital activities. These systems include digestive system and respiratory system, okay? Any system in a living organism's body is built up of tiny structures called cells. Now we will talk about the cell. This is the cell. The cell is the main building unit of a living organism's body that carries out all its vital activities. Cells are found only in the bodies of living organisms, but they aren't found in non-living things. The building unit of a wall or a building is a brick. Cells are tiny structures that can't be seen with the naked eye. So, we need a special device to see cells and their structures. The size of animal cells and plant cells ranges between 0.1 millimeter and 0.05 millimeter. So we need a microscope to view them. The microscope was invented in the 17th century. In 1665, Robert Hooke used his microscope to observe tiny particles in samples of plant parts that couldn't be seen with the naked eye. He named these tiny particles cells. Okay? Cell biologists use microscopes to magnify cells. So they can see them in greater detail. This activity can be a STEM exercise to understand why magnification is important for studying cells. Cell biologists are scientists who study cells. They work in laboratories, where they analyze data and present their conclusions to other researchers. Some cell biologists collaborate with doctors. Why? Or give a reason. To observe how cells repair body parts or respond to different medicines. Okay. Others work in agriculture, studying how plant cells react to various environmental factors. Studying how cell biologists work in agriculture is also a STEM activity. That happens by staining cells is a method used because cells are usually clear and colorless, making their structure hard to see under a microscope. Okay? Stains, or dyes, are used to add color and make the cell's structure more visible. There are different types of stains. Some stains highlight specific parts of cells. For example, methylene blue dye helps visualize the nucleus as a blue area in a sample of cheek cells. Later, modern microscopes helped scientists discover more information about cells. That is also a STEM activity, okay? Scientists have developed a microscope that displays cells in 3D. This means they can see the top, sides, and layers of a cell. Okay, how does it work? 1. The 3D microscope takes pictures of a cell in layers. 2. A computer then assembles these layers into a complete image. 3. Colors are added to the final image. So, The 3D microscope can help. Scientists learn more about cell components and how cells divide. And also, it can help doctors treat cancer, which is caused by cells dividing too quickly. That is also a STEM activity. That's all for today. In our next video, we will continue our lesson. To stay updated, please like, subscribe, and share this channel. Goodbye.